these two chimps, they're the actors for this song. So before I play the video, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. But before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. And I think you will like the song also. I like the song, and maybe some of you can relate with this. But before I play the video, thank you so much. I want to thank you guys for all your support, especially for all my subscribers. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's watch the video.
You